Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so yesterday we talked about how mid-band had been converted, and we're talking about the march to the upper band. That march has continued yesterday and in the overnight. It's traded as high as 27.97.75. We're getting up into the area of resistance from back around early June. You had 94. 94 quarter, 94, 96. We've made a marginal higher high at 97.75. But, if the bulls really want to go ahead and start to move this thing, to the upside, they need to establish 94 to 97 as support and then go after the upper band up and around the 28.11, call it 28.11 to 28.15 area. I was looking at 93 as an area that we could move if we could convert yesterday's upper level, which was at 82.75. That's happened. We spent the day. We were short in the morning, and then when it finally got to the point where the bears could not capitalize, we ended up getting long. At this point, we're long 82. We've locked in a lot of profits on the trade, and I'm just letting the runner work, because if they want to ramp this up off the open again, then I'm content to just let the runner from 82 do what it needs to do. And we've got a nice trade locked in with stops and everything, so we're well on track for the week. Mondays have been slow, and yesterday was no exception. They've also been whippy at times and difficult to trade. Yesterday wasn't particularly difficult to trade. We didn't have any red trades. We didn't take any heat. It just didn't follow through. Even the move to the upside didn't follow through. And unless you anticipated the bounce, which I did not, I was looking for a little more to the downside, so I didn't buy the 73s. Even though a lot of people did in the room, because I said, we'll go to 73 in the low window, which we did. If you didn't do that, it was really a one-move day. It was actually a two-move day. You were able to get back in at 82 when we did, and then overnight you turned it into a nice day, but didn't follow through much above 82 in the regular session. So what I want to see today, as we go to the hourly chart, is, does the hourly mid-band continue to support price? It's certainly trying to. Can we continue to make higher highs? As these bands come in, they have tended to yield moves to the upside. So what I would expect is this area to hold and for us to take out 97.75. If the bears want to matter today, it all starts by taking out the hourly mid-band, turning it into resistance, breaking the daily pivot down around 79, and then trying to extend back down to yesterday's pre-market low, and then the Globex low, which would be down at 61.75. That's asking a whole heck of a lot out of a bearish camp that really hasn't shown us anything for the last 3 weeks. So I would expect hourly mid to hold. At worst, I would expect daily pivot to hold, and that we make a move back up towards the round number 2800. Frankly, we're too close not to touch it and not to attempt to try to trade over it. So I'm expecting to print something with a 28 on it fairly early on in the regular session today. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. For the subscribers, we're going to have our member Q&A today at noon. And for everybody else, we'll be out on social in a little bit. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.